Alright, hello. Ugh. God. Sorry. It's been a little bit since I streamed. Last Friday, I genuinely was not feeling up to it. And Monday we had D&D again, so unfortunately couldn't stream then. Yesterday I just didn't feel like it, so I ended up not doing it. But today is the day. We'll do some work today. Friday we'll hopefully do some work. Tomorrow we might do some work. We'll see. Unfortunate thing is, next week, on the 25th, Victoria 3 comes out. Which means, let me turn down the volume a little bit. Which means, since Victoria 3 is coming out on the 25th, which means either I'm going to be playing a shit ton of that game, and I'm going to be having a lot of fun. I'm hoping, because I'll be honest, I love EU4. I've put... How many hours have I put into it? Fuck. I haven't even opened thing today. Steam today yet. Sorry, stuff happened. Just don't update right now. Fuck you. Alright, so EU4. I have put... Oh my god. I'm 45 hours off of 4,000 hours. Oh. I'm at 3,955.1 hours in EU4. That is too much. I love this game. There's so little in the way of new content. And I'm not just talking like EU4 I'm not talking like just Paradox made content. I'm talking like also mods. There are just so little new content. I'm basically having to rely on Anbanar updating, and I'm relying on like other mods that are similar in size and shtick. Like, there's just so little that I haven't done in that game at this point. So, I am hoping so much that when Victoria 3 comes out, I'm going to love it. I'm hoping it becomes my new favorite Paradox game. So much. I'm scared that it's not, and I'm gonna have to stick with EU4. Like, I'm worried, but at the same time I'm excited. I want it to be good. I want it to take over as my new favorite, because it's new content, something new for me to do. Also, it's my kind of shtick. I'm more of an economic build-up kind of player, even in EU4. The war aspect is not my best thing, and despite my large number of hours, I'm not that good at like the combat aspects of the game. I'm really hoping that I love Victoria 3. You'll know on Wednesday. Actually, you'll know on Tuesday, because I'll just play it on Tuesday. I'll probably be streaming it on Tuesday when it comes out. Yeah. Other games that are coming out, the DLC for RimWorld is coming out. Isn't it Where is it? View DLC in the store. Biotech. When does Biotech come out? Oh, the 21st. Friday. Yeah. See, that's the thing though. I'm excited for Biotech. Biotech is adding a shit ton of stuff that I really wanted to RimWorld. I'm not as hyped for it as Vicky 3. Mostly because, like, I'm gonna buy it, obviously. I'm going to buy it. But I can wait with it. Like, I can wait a couple days. Probably what's going to be the case is I'm going to work today, work Friday at the very least, and if I'm not close to getting to the point that I want for version 0.01, I'm going to stream over the weekend to try and push us past that point. Try to get version 0.01 out before Vicky 3 comes out so that I can relax, basically. I plugged a cord in so I could put something on my phone. And alright, let's look at the issues currently standing on wait, Sims 4 is free to play now? I'm guessing it's yeah, Sims 4 is free to play. It's just the DLC that costs money. God, imagine playing fucking DLC-less Sims 4. A DLC-less Sims game in general. Jesus. Yeah, no. They can have fun with that. Alright, so, things we need to get done. Alright, let me pull the issues tab. Oh, that was the wrong... No, that was the right one. Alright. Programming. Why do I have... Wait. That's a Raylib cheat sheet right there. Why do I have it here, too? Delete that. I have other stuff. No? Alright. So, change this to foundations. So this is what I've said I need to do. Actually, I don't even... This is not one of those things. This does not need a milestone on it. That can be progressively worked on. An options menu. Nations. That's it. That's the main thing right now. Nations. Nations, nation borders, and the ability to... Okay, so I'm thinking of right now, the main thing that you need for a nation at the base level is just to know what provinces are owned by who. So, what do I need for that? Oh shit! Let me move this cord so it's not in my way. I need to know what nation is owned by what nation. What province is owned by what nation. So if I start this up, there's two ways of handling it. I could have the province know what nation owns it, which would lead to provinces only having... It basically forces it that each province only owns one province. Yeah, each province only is owned by one nation. So there's no way for a province to be accidentally owned by two people. Now, if I have a list of provinces on the nation, that means multiple nations could accidentally own the same province. Now, the downside to not using that, the downside to having the province know, is that it would be harder for the nation to know what provinces it owns. Now, I could solve that by having a simple function that just iterates through every single province, checks if it's owned by them, and then adds them to a list. I don't know how what's it called? How intensive that would be. I could see. Sorry, I forgot to do some things really quickly before stream started. Really? Oh my fucking god, really? Why? I turned off notifications while I'm streaming. But, it's an important email. I can do that kind of stuff with that, there we go. Sorry about that. Alright, so. Oh, wait, I should probably, close this so that it doesn't do stuff. Alright, so. Let me turn on the thing. Okay. Oof. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Now we should be able to get going. So, yeah, I think that's how we're going to do it. We have population and all that done, right? Yeah. We finished that last time, right? I don't remember if we actually finished everything. Might need to get rid of the comments, but... Oops. Kept going, but I didn't do the thing. Alright, so... Yeah, okay. Everything is... The base level of stuff is working properly. Okay. So what let me clear all these out. So I have clean 22. We might actually finish this. Well, we're not going to finish it today, obviously. But we'll finish this before 25, hopefully. Alright, so let us start with a new file here, nation.odin package, game data. I'm also using a new theme. Imports, structures. So, nation data. Okay, so the first thing we need is pointer to a C string. Is it C string that is the localization stuff? Let's see. Yes, okay, so yeah, pointers to in here. This is dynamic arrays, C strings. Gonna need to add nation localization in there, but it's fine. So we have the name. There's other stuff needed. Like, this will be stuff for the future, but, I've been programming with, assembly for a little bit, so I'm so used to using this as a comment. Flag, which would be a pointer to a relib.texture. I'm putting that as a comment for now because I don't need it. Province data. Oops. So that's a dynamic list of province data. I do need a new file. No, not new file. New folder. Nation. New file. Gets owned provinces.odin. Package nation reports procedures, and then pointer to the nation, which would be game data niche. Oh wait, yeah, no, nation, and then game data. So basically what it's going to do is here I need to add to the end of here owner nation. It's a pointer to our nation, not a nation itself. in, do I not have, I don't have game data open. World data. Would I have, this has all the provinces in it. And it has the date. So I think having, now there will be less nations than there will be provinces, so I don't need to map them. And I don't need to reference them like that. So having them as a just a dynamic list makes sense. So I'm going to need a new file. I'm going to need a new file that is nation data. Mods, Invenar, map, provinces, pops, new, oh, fuck. New file, nations.bin. Now, right now, the information... Actually, right now, all I would need is a... So, right now, this is going to be the structure. It's going to be a... like, the number of the array of the, localized name. Then it will be each province ID. So, assuming this is Crown Shatter. Is it Crown Shatter? I always forget, even though it's the main one. Shit. Serpent Spine Mountains. Why did that change? That's so weird. Sorry, I'm trying to find Amaldir. It doesn't say West Dwarf, or maybe. No, it doesn't. God, I wish the wiki actually told me what I wanted to know. Well, it's Crown Shatter, and then for it's that nation. We know who I'm talking about. And then we have provinces. Each one is a 32 bits, so this is in order 0, 1. So shit. Let's open this up and see. So in theory, okay, so if I look at the pops, I should be able to tell. So 0 is the first one, 1, 10, and then 30. Excuse me, sorry. So they should only start with this one and this one. So 1,000, yeah, okay, so 1 and 2, 0 and 1. Okay. So that should technically be it. Oh wait, actually let me change how this goes. Copy, paste, insert, instead 02. So this is the index of the nation's string. Well, it's also the index of the nation itself. They'll be in that order, so it'll have a double use. So index of the nation, the number of provinces it owns, and then the list of provinces in order. Well, not in any particular order, but I need to write a like a kind of like a scripting language, something to like make it easier for it to be read and written. Do that. All right. Let me open up localization. Oh, I do actually have a nation thing. Shattered Crown. Thank you. Thank you so much. You actually already have it for me, previous Josh. I think that is the first time past Josh has actually done something that benefited present Josh. Though technically at the time it was present Josh benefiting future Josh. Future Josh tends to be a bit self-centered and narcissistic, thinking himself present Josh, but present Josh is present Josh. I sound fucking insane. Out of context, that entire rant just seems like the ramblings of a fucking madman. And the worst part is, it's not like anyone, not even my friends, would get that joke, because it is a joke solely for myself. Because I constantly joke to myself about, and this makes me sound even more insane, I joke to myself about a rivalry between present Josh and future Josh, or as future Josh calls it, past Josh and present Josh. Present Josh likes making problems for future Josh to deal with. God, I sound like a fucking psychopath. Alright, let's... That would be it, right? Yeah. So none of that matters right now, but we have local ID, we have the name, we have provinces owned. We just need to load them, which would be part of... That would be part of world map reify. Populations, generate images. Province, we'll keep this provinces, and then we'll this is loading settings. So here I'll load nations. So this entire thing is for provinces. Yeah, provinces. God. Oh yeah, and I still need to load date for mesh. I should probably, because I downloaded a new extension that should help me deal with the to-dos. Oh god, there's a lot of to-dos. Never mind, I'll do that. That'll be the last thing I do. Alright, so load nations. Let's start with opening up the file. So it should be nations data location. And it would be mods. So it would be mods name map nations bin result pretty sure this is actually going to error out because of undeclared name nation. Oh, it's nation data. That's right. Yeah, redeclaration of world map 67. Yeah, redeclaration of resu. Which would be, yeah, this. That's frustrating, and it's frustrating because Go doesn't have that problem. If one of the variables that are here aren't declared, this is the way of doing it still. I don't know why it doesn't let you do it like this. Well, now we have that build, right? That works now. Yep. All right. So we get the data, and we need to index it, which would be basically just, ooh, that's. How do we get the size? Because it doesn't have a standard size. Oops, I don't have it open anymore. It's 4 and then 2. This is where a custom system. I think the first thing I'm going to implement in I'm going to actually write this down on the thing. The very first thing in governance is going to be so yeah. It's technically both an enhancement and documentation. Well, Let's do that. That'll be number fucking 1. 'Cause we need that fucking really bad. Really bad. And it's not a modding thing. Oops, let me just minimize it. So how do I do this, for now at least? I guess I could have the... Oops. I guess I could have it say the number of nations is the first line, is the first byte. So for 0, I is less than nation data 0, and then it needs to be converted to a uint. No, just an int. And then I plus equals 1. So then it goes through, so it does that once, and then I need a new offset. It's set to 1 automatically because that's where it starts. So where is the there was a word for this stuff, but I didn't use it. Do I not? It's fuse I32. That means I should probably change this to an I32. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so nation equals 0, nation dot local, wait, game data dot nation data, oops, local ID. Did I not capitalize it? No, I didn't. Is equal to offset plus 0. And it's nation's data right there. So the nation actually it would be 4. U equal to 0. U is less than, oops, nation's data offset plus 1. Actually, no, it would be plus 4. Convert this to an int. Wait. Int I plus equals 1. Actually, it's U there. So now this is so now we have this doing every single one. Shit, actually, this is using their local IDs, not their colors. Which makes it difficult to load them. Technically, this would be initialization stuff, so it's not that important for thing, but I'd prefer it to be I prefer it to be quicker, so I'm just gonna load up provinces here. Is there any way to have this multi-screen? No. So this is province 1. I mean 0. This is province 2. There. Save. Alright, so the first thing it should be doing is getting the color, right? Actually, it should just be have it be a color map, and that just directly tells me which province owns what, and it's a lot smaller. Import vendor relib. There. Just copy this entire line, go down here, put this here, shorten this, put nation there. Oh, actually, delete that. Do that. Color is equal to province data plus I'm just going to 0, 1, 2, 3, and then offset plus equals 4. So then that's actually, if I do 5 and then minus 1, that does a decent job of what I want. That way, after every color, it adds it. So, append nation dot owned provinces color, and then offset, and it keeps doing that. And then at the end here, I'm going to fmt.printf nation dot owned provinces in the hope redeclaration of, well, redeclaration doesn't fucking matter. Undeclared name fuse. What? Oh. Why did... What? Okay. I don't... Did I miss copying that? 178. Oh, that works. Okay, cool. In theory, this should, when I start the game, it'll tell me the, after all these are done, boom, 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 boom. 17 is out of range. 177. Less than 14. Is that this talk mode? Yeah. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, what the fuck is happening here? So it's going past nations data. So we get 0, and then we get 1, which gets the next 4, and we add 5. We add 5, and then we take that minus 1. What? I'm confused. So it starts... So we start out loading the first one. Okay. That's the number of nations. So we get the thing starting at 1 here, and it gets those 4. It's still at 1. The pointer is still here. So then we add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get what's at offset minus 1, so this let's try something. This is weird. Two. Yeah, 2. 178. Yeah. 17 is out of range. What does it mean 17 is out of range? Oops. I'm very confused as to what's going on right here. Something weird going on. It's doing it 3 times. Ah. Like this now? Is this what's gonna fix it? I was going one too many times because of how loops are weird. No, it's why is it still doing what? Why is it going 3 times? Build. It should be returning 3. I mean, it should be returning 1. If I just do this, it should fix it. Alright. One, 2, 3. Why is it getting to 3? Why would it... Combination of both. A little bit of column A, a little bit of column B. I'm taking off my headphones. I don't hear any music this way, but my head doesn't feel compressed. Okay. Why does it... Okay, what is... Like that. Since you want to be pedantic, unless that means it's a zero size thing, which wouldn't make any sense. Index is out of... What? Why is it... It appends it, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. It's supposed to, at least. Wait. Load game. It's not running anymore. Brain hurt. Yeah, it's... So I do 2, what happens here? That doesn't make any sense because that should say 0 then. I'm so confused as to what is going on with this. It's treating it like it's not working. Like, I don't know. It doesn't even run anymore when you do that. So this is 2. We know this is 2. If it starts at 0, it goes through here, plus 1, it's 1 now. 1 is less than 2. It goes again, plus 1, it's 2 now. U is now equal to 2. It is now equal to 2. So that means it breaks. If it's equal to 2, why is it not breaking? It says I have it set to less than. It should break. I don't understand what the problem is. Why does it print a 2? It shouldn't be running at a 2. Alright, let's try this then, I guess. Why is it running a 2? There's only 1. It only says 1. What the hell? Is it not running the right thing? Target, debug, today, data, mods, Evenar, map, nations. No, it's running the exact same thing. But why is it not? I'm so confused. Why is it running to 2 if it's a 1? It says less than. should only run once. Yeah, 1, 0, 1. Why does it run another time? What the fuck? No, that makes no fucking sense. Is it something to do with the conversion? Why is 1 equaling 2? I'm freaking out right now. I don't know what's going on. Why is 1 equaling 2? What kind of advanced math is this? Why does 1 equal 2? Why does 1 equal 2? It's not less than or greater than, it's only less than. Will that go to 3? No way this will go to 3 because I do that. Why does it do the exact... What the hell is happening? What the hell is happening? So fucking confused. This genuinely makes no sense. What? Don't fucking block. Yes, don't fucking do that. I don't know why it started doing this shit. I don't want alerts like that. Oh my fucking god, I know what the... Is that the... No, that's not the problem. That can't be the problem. You motherfuckers, that's the problem. That's the fucking problem. I hate everything. I hate it. I hate it. It updates. It keeps checking that reference point. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Yeah, okay. Okay, okay. That's incorrect, though. RGBA. Okay, so what does this look like now? Does this show all of them? Please tell me this shows all of them. That would be so helpful to see where the problem is. Oh, don't tell me that's... It's because that... Okay, that's my fault. I totally forgot to change that back. Okay, so that's 2. So 53. Wait, what? Oh my god, I'm stupid. Okay, that one's 1,000,000% on me. For some reason, I didn't process that. Let's just do this so that it's cleaner. Build. That's 1,000,000,000% on me. So let's look at the colors. So 177, 112, 53, 255, 44, 184, 44, 255. Cool. And then at the end of this, we append world data dot nations data nation. There, now all the nations are added. Technically only one now. Actually, there's one other thing that I need to do, and I totally forgot about. I need to... I don't have paint.net. Hold on. Oh, paint.net open. I need color for the province. I mean, for the nation. So what's a good shattered crown color? Like a dark green, like that. Let's go with that. So 49, 183, 62. Save. So instead of offset plus 5, what needs to be done is offset plus 9. Do something similar to this. Nation dot color that's that. Now offset plus 1, 2, 3, 4. No, because that would be this would actually be 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do a quick print. Oh, fmt.printf. Save. Technically we're on break, but I'm gonna finish this really quickly. We should see the color pop up, which should be the same. 49, 183, 62, 255, Now, a question is, just to make sure, just in case, let's make sure that it's still reading the ladder stuff correctly, too. Yep. All of that is correct. Cool. Alright. Cool. Alright. Oh, fuck. Alright, so when we get back from the break... Alright, let me just turn on the break. No. I don't want to re-enable pop-ups. I turned them off for a reason. Alright, so, plan. What I want to do next is have the localization. It's going to be really quick, really simple, because we already have a lot of localization stuff done. It's just loading the text and then loading the thing from there. But what I need to do after that is I want to have names displayed on the map. The province names, and when in national, like in nation map mode, or political map mode, the name of the nation. Now, that's going to be a long thing because it'll entirely based on how zoomed in you are. Do I have a thing for zoom? Yes, I do. I do know how zoomed in I am. So it'll literally just be a gate where if zoom is less than this, display province names. If zoom is greater than this, display nation names. Now the question is how am I going to do these names? The initial way I could do it is by directly like printing them on the images, but I don't think that won't work. I could create images that are the same dimensions as the provinces. Print the text on those. The problem is create an image from text. I could do that. The problem is with how Raylib is with text right now, without doing any custom like system, it would always be horizontal text, which isn't necessarily bad. Normally in grand strategy games, the text kind of moves to fit the province shape, which I can't really do with this system, because that involves like tweening and not tweening, splines. I think they're called. I could do that in theory if I create images for every single character and then just have them used in that way. I feel like that might be costly processing wise, maybe. Probably not, because it's just drawing single images or textures. I could do a test, but I feel like I can get away with right now just doing horizontal text. So I'd probably just do image text ex, which has the inputs of font, pointer to text, font size, float spacing, and color tint. Color tint is going to be weird because I'm going to have to have it figure out whether or not to use. I guess I could do like a middle ground gray. No, I would have to figure out if it's a light color or a dark color, which I guess I could do by grayscaling. So, okay, let me test something. I have an idea. So we have this color, 49, 183, 62. In theory, if we were to average these out, what color would we get? Is this how they grayscale? I don't actually know the mechanics behind it. $98. So let's turn all these to 98. Okay, and then bring these back. 49, 183, 62. I feel like that's darker. I feel like if I had to put text here, oops. Blacks could still work. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I guess I'll just do black for now. Just always black. I'm gonna check something with my computer. I'm just realizing. Oh shit. so I'll just minimize this for now. Alright, so that's the plan. I will get localization going first. Is localization done? Yes, okay. Localization is done right there. Where's localization? There's localization. Alright, so let's get back to work time now. Alright, so localization. Can do that later. Oh wait, I didn't do that. That is something actually I need to do. Game data. Oh no, wait, it would be in world. Hey, we'll go. Okay, so world data dot province data color dot owner equals nation I don't know if that works because I'm appending it onto the list, but I don't know if it's using this at the same location. I feel like I've done this before and it failed. So I feel like I should do this after it's appended. I will do that for now. I will do that for now. And actually, before we do localization, let's do, where is player, update. Is it in this? No, it's in draw provinces here. Population, political, here we go. Switch world data provinces call dot owner. Actually, no, there's no switch here. If an owner is not equal to null, or is it nil? It's not equal to nil. Then do what the fuck? My trash can just moved. So if it is equal to, if it's not, oh, here, I'll do it like this. If it's equal to nil, do raylib.white, wait, got this part. Else, do disp dot, well, disp is equal to owner dot color build. Reify, okay, it's in Reify 191. Wait. Provinces data call.owner is equal to nation. Unable to assign to struct field in map. Oh, this is not... Wait, why am I... Oh no, wait, this is the right color. Call is equal to thing. Why does that not work? Cannot assign to struct field. Provinces data call in map. What? Okay. Let's see if this breaks. Okay, it's running. It should be, what, 2? Should be map mode 2. So, 3 is terrain. 2 should show only these two lit up. It worked. Obviously there's going to be more work here. What is the different... I need to have each province also just know which provinces they're bordering. That's something to deal with later. I'm surprised that worked. That worked very quickly. So that actually means the only things left I have is overworld and population in terms of map modes. Alright, so let's get localization, reify, terrain, wait, what? Provinces. This is provinces, not terrain. Yeah, provinces. Why does it say... Okay, so it ends offset, count, delete raw data. So let's just copy this, the exact same thing, paste it, nations, just do the exact same thing. There's no reason to get rid of him. Good thing. There. Save. Okay, settings, data, language. Let me go back to the top here, copy this, paste. It's nations, right? Hammer, localization, nations, yes, okay. nat. All right, so nations, nat, 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 nat. Save raw data, copy, append, nations. What is this for? Oh no, it's for mods, and technically it doesn't do anything yet because I don't have all that stuff working. That's fine. Alright, so now I can go back to reify here, and nation.name is equal to is it it's game data, yeah, game data, so localization data dot nations local array local ID pointer build. So fmt.printf nation.name. I might have just gotten 2 things done within just about 20 minutes, just over 20 minutes. Error. Index 0 is out of range. Is it not getting the offset 0, count, local, copy, nations, delete raw data? Missing something? Directory is equal to mod nat, and then nat is nations. What does this do? Does this break everything? Oh my god. think she's done. I don't know what's going on now. Oh, in world map, not... Okay. Ah. For some reason it's not loading any. Which doesn't make any sense because... they're all there. English.ben. Nations English.ben. Array bounds exceeded. It's trying to grab... It doesn't recognize that there's something there. Oopsie. Now this should say say the directory. The exact directory it's trying to use. Data, mods, Anbenar, localization, provinces. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Localization, nations, English.ben. This is there. But for some reason it's not generating. Is it just not seeing that there are any there? Like if I go here and do count, how many does it say there are? It should say that there's 2. Two at most, 1 at... Okay, 1. Because there's 1 enter. Why is it... Okay, I'm going to move this over here. And I'm going to copy this. It should still be there. Right? This should work. Index 0 out of range. But why? Wait, which one is out of range? Which is it in localization or is it in world map? 'Cause that'll help. It's in localization. Okay, so localization first. Cool. happens if I do this? Index is out of range. What? What? That doesn't make any sense. World map. Wait, why is it's not even? Oh my fucking god. I've been doing that this entire time. It's been in the wrong one. I've been doing it in the target folder, not this one. Means I was constantly rebuilding it and it wasn't doing it properly. There we go. What the fuck? There you are. Why is that color weird? The color is... Wait, those two colors... No, those colors are the same. Why are they... That's not the same color as before. That's really weird. That's not the right color. So I'm thinking that the reify is not working. I have an idea. Okay, so what this will do is, instead of having this here, set owned provinces will just go through the provinces. Sorry I'm being very quiet. Kind of focusing a little bit. Where the fuck is owned? Ugh. So, province data, color. Color. I'm calling it nations. Maybe I should change it to nations. Oh wait. That is very true. Wait, what? 15. It's already a pointer. 19. World data has no nations. I guess it does. Oh, nations data. Oh, let's see. There we go. That's the right color. That's a change in color. I thought the goblin and goblinic shamanism had the same color. I could be wrong. Oh, unless... oh, this is culture. This is religion. They should have the same color. Oh no. I don't know. I need a thing that shows the map modes. Now those two, the set owned provinces and set all owned provinces, will probably only be called in this situation. Get owned provinces will be called a lot more frequently. Alright, so... but we're not going to like changes and stuff right now, so right now let's look at thing. I think it's fine. I don't think I need to do that anymore. I was originally doing that to make it clearer where the borders are, but as long as the two nations don't have the same colors, it should be fine for now. It can always be done later. Like, looking at this, you're probably not going to get confused. Probably. I could be wrong. It's probably a better idea to just do it like that. But for now, it's fine. I'm just going to take this off of the milestone. I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm basically just looking for any reason to get this done. Province name displayed. Anbernur map data. I don't need this for this milestone. So nation borders. I think I'm going to consider that done. I'm actually going to open this up. And then go back to this and edit this and put this in here. Update. Okay, so number 32 and closed number 39. Okay, so just these two left. Options menu and province name. Now, okay, let me clean up first. Delete that. Save. I had some in the localization. There, remove that. That should be all of it, right? We'll see here in a second. I think leaving this in there for now is fine. Okay, yeah. Alright, so look at how fast the population is going up. Need to do stuff with that, but for now it's fine. I'm going to rewrite a lot of the issues for the next milestone. Rewrite some of the most of the issues and actually like plan exactly what I want going into this next update. That way I'm not so like jumping from thing to thing. Which will be good if I have like a small break in between updates, working on the updates. So for now, this is good. Now the name of the provinces. So this would be involved with the player. edit. No, this would be part of the... Let's close these. This would be part of the draw provinces, wouldn't it? Let's minimize these. So those are the map modes. Why is it... Oh, that's just how this thing looks. Wait. World data province color. Why don't I just do... Does that... Did I just never put that in there? I guess we'll see. Oh, my legs hurt. I increased the intensity of my workout last night. Yeah, no, that still works fine. I do want, instead of having it say controllable, I want it to be an icon that you can hover over instead. That allows me to do this instead. Do that. This is drawing at the center, draw left, draw right. That's drawing all the provinces themselves. I need to draw the text above them. So that's drawing the model. Okay, so this province mesh, province model, province image, current texture, position, center point. I could do a name texture. So then back in here, province, load localization. This is for each of the provinces generating the images. Finish up provinces. So province mesh, province image, and then it creates the current texture. This is the model. So here I would do equal to, let's just do this the simplest way possible, and do font is its graphics. I have? Does this use? Yes, game data. Okay, cool. Does use game data. Dot font, and the text is equal to the name. It's not localized yet. Let's just move this up. Please tell me it will work up here. Like that. Wait, I didn't finish all this stuff over here. Is equal to... Where is it? Oh. Localization dot prov provinces array do the where province local ID. Let's move this into a new line. Float size, float spacing. So we'll just do 20 temporarily. Float spacing 1. Color tint black. Build. It's localization data, not localization. There we go. Now in theory, this will create the image, and then when we draw the provinces, so this is drawing the model. There's gotta be a 3D draw texture, right? I wonder how this would look, actually. Let's try this. This might be weird. Position, which would be this again. I'm curious to see if this works at all. This might work. This might not. This might look like might work, but it might look like shit. But it also might work and might look good. Array bounds exceeded. And reify Odin. Okay, 154. Maybe? Maybe? Let's see. So it hasn't worked so far, but it's not... Oh. Oof. Yeah, no, that's not good. Ooh, I know what I can do here. If... Boom. Let me just paste it in before I actually do the if statement, which is... province data dot... prov dot... prov type is not equal to dot... fuck. Impassable. Basically, impassable doesn't have names. Not right now, at least. I should probably actually... Or does it have a name? That made it work. Let's see what this looks like. It's pretty... See, there's supposed to be billboards. There's supposed to be billboards. Why aren't they, doing billboard stuff? That's weird. That's really weird. So, float size. Size was fine. Alright, so I guess I'll just... Ooh, this is slow. Alright. I will... Why did I do that? I will comment this and do a alternative option, which is really just an advanced version of this function. Just replace some of the stuff. Wait a fucking... Hold on, wait. Let me try something. It's not 1, right? It's not because I typed 1. That's not what's causing the problem. That doesn't mean it's rotating downwards, right? That wouldn't do it. I'm supposed to be on break right now. But let me just check this out. It always seems like a break starts right as I'm in the middle of something. Oh. It's not even showing them. Ooh, wait. Is that it? Do I need it? Is it the only reason I saw it because it was rotated 1? That means I need to rotate it more to see it completely. If this is the case, then I don't need the advanced one. Oh, that's not rotation, that's size. That's not rotation, that's size. I'm stupid. Oh no, 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Alright, let's finish this up. This is going to be basically the last one of the day. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Billboard Pro. So, first thing, fire camera. Texture. Oh my god. It's so loud. Rectangle source. If I just do 0x, y. Do that. Position, which is just this. Oops. Oops, I keep trying to do this. There we go. Boom. Up. Vector 2 size would be 1, 1. Vector 2 origin would be 0, 0. Vector 3 up would be 0, 1, 0. Hopefully this is all right. F32. 2 build. Okay. Let's see how this, if this works at all. Oh, it's running. I see something really. I don't have a PayPal account. Fucking scammers. I'm tired of fucking scammers. Alright, so we have up B that way. That should fix our problem. Very worried. Oh? Oh! The only problem is the larger the name of the province, the smaller the text. And was there a size? This is the size, right? Let's see. Vector position up, size, and then origin. So this is size. If I change this to 2, what does that look like? Oh wow, that's very crowded. I think size 1 makes it so that it's hard to read the longer province names, but if you need to read it that badly, if you don't, like, it's mostly for a just a glance type of shtick. It's not necessarily like this is the only way you'll know a province's name. Like, because you can't read that, you'll never know what this province is. No, you can just click on it and you can see it right there. So I think this is overall perfectly fine. Yeah, that's fine. My only thing is, when you zoom out far enough, you need to be able to see thing. So, let's look at player update. Player mouse. Can I add? Oh wow, they don't do that. Oh, is it not in that? It's in update player camera, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so camera slope, zoom, so zoom, what's the zoom min and max? Oh fuck, it's in this. No, it's not. What? Where the fuck is the zoom min and max? Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is... Oh, it's in... Reify player. I'm moving this now. I'm making the... Making the, fucking express executive decision to move it there. Update player. So, max is 40 and 5. So let's just do 20. Let's just do 20. So, draw provinces. Delete this. Copy this. If player data dot zoom greater than 20, well, I should say boom, else, oops, it's this one. So, but here I need to do nation billboard. Okay. So, one thing I do want to do with nations is new file. So, calculate center. So, where is nation? There's nation. Right here. Center point. Array_vector 3. go. Okay. Center point. So is this reify? Yes, it is. Cool. Load nations. That's fine with doing that in the in there because it's before it's appended, so it's fine. Basically what it needs to do is for I equal to 0, I is less than length of nation owned provinces. Why did I get capital? I plus equals 1. Basically it goes through and it needs to create an average of all of the actually that's a very simple answer. So then here, total plus equals dot game data dot world data dot provinces. It's just provinces, right? Provinces data. Data. I dot it's dot center point, right? Yeah, dot center point. God, that's a fucking mouthful. Oh, I didn't actually no, I have it in the wrong order. Import there. Nation of type nation data has no calculate center. What? Oh. Oh. Oh, Jimmy. Jimmy. Here. Nations. Save. Nation save. Build. There we go. Jimmy. All right. Draw provinces. So then, this is the nation. So we also need. Oh, we don't have it calculating the name of the texture. Oh fuck. Okay. Jimmy's mom. Alright, so generate images. Here we are. Copy, well, we copy the internals. In loading nations. Paste that. Even it out. Graphics data.font. Localization data. Nations, local array, nation.local ID, and then change this to nation.nametext, copy nation. Oop. Thought I copied that. There. Alright. Now draw world data. Oh fuck, how am I gonna do this? This is for the provinces, which means I can't do it like this. I would need to have this outside of this loop. Okay. So let me just take this. Greater less than or equal to that. And then outside of this, nation names. Actually, for I equals 0, I is less than length of game data dot world data dot nations data plus equals 1. I got name texture. There. And I'm probably going to do like a 2 or a 3 on there anyway. Build. Does this compile? Yes. Oh wait. Forgot if player data.zoom is greater than 20. Build. New game. Oh, fuck my legs. Oh no. Center point wasn't calculated. Does that say Shattered Crown? I think so. It's long enough. Why is... Oh, I never set the... Okay. Nation.center point is equal to total. Build. New game. I'm hungry. I want to play some games. Okay, it's not there anymore. Let's zoom in. It's gonna be harder to find the... There you are. So, hello. You can see all the names. It's not accurate. Oh, wait. I'm stupid. Total equal to total divided by... I totally forgot this part. It's an average, it's not fucking thing. Alright, so... Y... That should work, right? Well, I need to convert them to F2s, yes. There. That should work. Now it actually averages out instead of adding them all together. Make it fly off into the void. Makes perfect sense why I don't see it. Okay. Let me zoom back in. Let's see it. see it. I don't know where it is. I don't... Oh, there you are. Okay, so I see you. Okay, so 20 is too low. I wish I knew. I'm going to do a quick thing, and it's going to be annoying, but update. It's gonna be annoying, but it'll let me actually fucking see shit. So it starts at 5 minimum. So I'm at 40. So this is 5. I feel like this... I feel like 10 is high enough, actually. Yeah, maybe even lower, maybe like 8 even. I'll do 8. Build. Let's see what this looks like. I'm confident in this one. We can always go back and make this look better, but for now it's good to just have it available to see things. Like, I definitely need to make it bigger. 5. I feel that's definitely going to be way too big, but seeing the differences will be helpful to narrow down how big I want it. Yeah, 4 might be enough. 3 or 4. I'll do 3. 3.5 because these are floats. There. Build. It's definitely going to need a scale based on the size of the province, too. Size of the nation, too. Like, maybe calculating the farthest width from the thing and have that turn into a scale somehow. There's things I can do. There, that looks pretty good. And then, like, can see it right here. Turns into things. That's pretty good. That's as good as I'm gonna get. Why do I keep getting fucking messages? If this is another spam... My god. I'm going to fucking re. I'm going to fucking re. Jimmy. I'm going to re, Jimmy. Alright, so... Commit, close, is it 30? No, it's 41. There we go. Alright, so... The only thing I feel like I'm... Okay, you know what? I handled things a lot faster than I thought I would. And I don't think having the line province borders are going to be actually that useful. Even if I have multiple nations nearby, like, it's not, like, the nations that'll be nearby right now are going to be the same, aren't going to be the same color. Also, there was a feature in a game. I can't remember its name. I have it. Hold on. Be right back. Steam. I have it on my... Age of History 2. Age of History. This game has a very useful feature. That feature being, you can change the color of nations however you want. Now, I am going to have that. I'm going to have that as a feature. You're going to be able to click on a nation and change its color to whatever you wish. I think that's a very useful feature. Obviously, your nation will always have an automatic color you're going to have it at. Nations like formable nations will have their own colors and they'll auto-set their colors to that when you form them, but you can always just switch it back if you really want to. But yeah, that's the plan. So, right now, the only thing left for this version is options menu. But that adds in an additional thing, is the pause menu. I'll actually add that as an issue too. Those will be the options. This will be the last thing added in here. And I think, actually, even though I have 20 minutes left, and technically I have even longer than that, I have like an hour left, I could probably finish this in an hour too. I think I want to wait for... I was so like... When I started the stream, I was so concerned that I wouldn't finish this by next week for Vicky 3. I was so worried. Now I'm sitting here an hour until the stream is supposed to end, realizing I'm basically already done. Okay, then Friday I'll do the pause menu and the options menu. Like, I already have stuff in place for saving options and whatnot. So, like, everything is fine. So then, after I'm done with that, done with the pause and options menu, I'll go through the to-dos and see if there's any minor changes I want to do before finishing off this version. And then, if I still have time, I guess I'll start brainstorming ideas for what I want in the next version. Well, the next version being, like, what's its actual name? Governance. It'll be actual gameplay. Though scripting system will also be part of that, so that'll make it work better. I also need to do... I guess I could also do that to Friday. I think what I'm going to do... I don't want to do this anymore. I think I'm good with that. Close is not planned. Look at all these. Look at all of this done. Alright. Well, I think that's it for me today, actually. Fuck. I didn't actually expect to be done with this stuff today. Expected to be working a lot longer. I guess it's fine. Yeah. Fuck. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on Friday when I finish off this version. This is gonna be weird. Bye.